Testimony in the trial for one of three people accused of murdering a Dallas visitor focused on the suspect's actions in the days and hours after the murder. Fox 4's David Sentendry has more from today's court proceedings. David.
Yeah, today we heard and saw evidence of Lisa Dykes and those two other murder suspects as they were all on the run. Surveillance video shown to jurors Thursday highlights Marisela Botello with Charles Beltran hours before Botello was murdered, allegedly by Lisa Dykes. Prosecutors say Dykes was in a three-way relationship with Nina Marano and Beltran. Dykes allegedly became jealous that Beltran was sleeping with Botello and stabbed Botello to death inside the group couple's Mesquite home in October 2020. Surveillance video shows detectives went to the home about a week later, but no one answered the door. All three were on the run. Body camera footage shown to jurors shows law enforcement taking Dykes into custody in a Florida hotel nearly 6 months later.
Door opened up, she came out, was cooperative.
Lisa Dykes' younger brother testified that for many years, she helped him out financially. But in March 2021, she called him asking for money, hours before her arrest.
Later on in the day, the police showed up and told us what was going on. All my years of life, I would never dream such a thing could transpire.
Marano owned a home in Pennsylvania, even while living in Mesquite with Beltran and Dykes. A Pennsylvania neighbor, who's a real estate agent, testified that Marano frantically called her days after Botello was killed to sell that home.
She just said that it had to be listed right away. It kind of seemed urgent.
Marano's neighbor testified that Marano shipped a black Audi A3 to the home and asked her to put a cover over it. Investigators say Dykes bought that car for Beltran. Police were looking for it.
And these are all neighborly things that you would do for any of your neighbors?
Yes.
That neighbor testifies that after she agreed to help Marano sell her home, she found some strange things related to witchcraft in the home.
A buyer's agent had said that a buyer was concerned about something that they seen, and they sent me a photo. It was like a smaller, what I would call Grim Reaper statue, and it was on like a small side table with candles and like little cups of alcohol or money in the cups. The buyer wanted like an explanation if they were going to buy this house that was scary to them.
Yeah, this trial has been packed with witness testimony throughout the week, but we still have not heard about Lisa Dykes and Nina Marano for when they were arrested, bonded out of jail, cut off their ankle monitors, and fled the country. Of course, as we reported, that was 9,000 miles away to Cambodia, so we're hoping to hear some more evidence related to how exactly that happened. And then, of course, we are still expecting to hear from Beltran, who was in a three-way relationship with those two women.